All right, just do it. Okay, so just getting the faceplate on for the table here. There's 4 1/4x20 bolts here, excuse me, 6, 3 on each side. And then down here on the face, there's 8x32 course, and I just used 1/2 inch for both. Right, so this is what's in the face. This one here. And this is the bolts that I'm using for the side. And when I first got this, there was no 8x32s down there at all, and there was only 4 of these 1/2 inch 1/4x20s. So I'm going to go ahead and get this last one in, and then get ready to put the other part in. Okay, so just got these 3/8 bolts started here, and then there's 2 on the other side as well, here and here. And they are going to go, they receive into these slots, right? So you leave them, you just start them, you get them a little proud, and you drop the whole thing down in. And then down in here, there's a hole on this side, and there's a hole on that side just there. And it's for these pins, these sort of flathead screw pins. So once it gets in place, I'll put these in, let it find its level, and then tighten everything down. Okay, boys, got her in. You can see that there's these 4 bolts here, or 2 bolts there, 2 bolts here, and then these sort of flat-headed studs or bosses, whatever. It's best to get these 4 in first, just loosely, and then line up this one on this side, and this one on this side. That'll set the depth of the motor and pulley and gearbox and everything, and then you can go ahead and tighten these all down. I went ahead and fixed up the electric a little bit, put a new whip on it. This is what it looks like. Got the switch back in place, so now just getting ready to flip it over. All right, guys, so just got it flipped over. This is what she looks like. And let's see, I can get a little better shot of this up here, maybe. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the hand wheel and the stopper on there, and it just has a little drift key that has to go in here. Get that done now. All right, boys, well, here she is all back together. The Boyar Shultz No.1 profile grinder. So to just put the table up, you just unlock here, turn it up, and then this little center knob just locks it in place. This knob here adjusts the angle of the table. And I should mention, to oil these ways, there's a felt here. It's tough to see. Let me get a light. There's a little plate right here on the top. You see that plate? There's screws on the top of that. There's a felt underneath there. And you oil, let me see if I can prop the light. You just drop your oil in here to oil those ways. And then to oil the spindle, it's just this one right here. And that's got a felt that wicks it in. But yeah, here it is. So just go ahead and lower the table. It's the ways are nice and lubed now. Before, it wouldn't even hardly move this thing. So there's a little post in the back that you can adjust to level the bed. Let's listen to it run. So I can lock the spindle with this lever here. This is just locked in place, no oscillation. And that's just in the oscillating mode.